Hey guys, so I'm here in California. Like a lot of you guys know, I've been vlogging and doing videos from here, but today I just thought I would come outside and enjoy the sunshine today. It does feel good today. I'm not gonna lie. So today it's just absolutely gorgeous out. This is probably the first time that I've been outside, sitting outside. Like you guys seen, I was so sick, and then you know, it's been kind of cold here too. So it was raining, it was cold. So today though, it's really beautiful. The sun feels amazing. So I'll probably do a house tour, you know, before, you know, sometime soon. But my husband's friends are here now, so I probably won't go in there because God knows what they're doing, right? But they're watching football, so. But I just want to show you the yard here. Oh, and then guys, hopefully, I'm really hoping that I get to go to the Morphe store today, because I have been just so obsessed with getting into the Morphe store since I was in New York. I was like, that's my #1 stop, Morphe store. So I hope I get to go. I think I'm gonna go today, and so hopefully we can vlog about that. That'll be really fun. Let me just show you the yard really quick. It's so beautiful. I gotta show you these lemon trees and orange trees. It's amazing. So let me show it to you guys. So guys, here is our yard, and that's an orange tree, and I think that one right there is a lemon tree, and then there's the mountains behind us. So amazingly beautiful. I'm not so gorgeous. So there you can see all the lemons on the tree. Or no, these are oranges. And they're actually so delicious, guys. They're really sweet. And it's just so beautiful even just to look at, but they do taste delicious. So here's the oranges. They're just so delicious. I just love them. There's my little dad sitting in the sun, sitting in the clovers. So cute. Guys, I can't believe it, but I'm here at the Morphe store. Oh my god, I'm gonna go in, dolls. Babes, here it is. Oh my god, I love it. Look at that. Yay! Oh my god, I need this. Ooh, yes.
And the walls keep falling down.
Guys, oh my god, I just left the Morphe store. Dolls, I went. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Guys, I just left the Morphe store. Oh my god, do you see this? Okay, babes, I wanted to try this, but the tester in the store was empty, so let me try it now. I've been wanting to try this for the longest time, the Morphe setting spray. Okay, first of all, I don't know how it looks, but the mist was very nice. It has a great scent, very light. And the mist came out perfect, because I don't know if you guys are like me, but when the mist it can come out too hard, to this, to that, and this one was really nice. Wow. Let me check myself, dolls. Oh. To be honest, sometimes you don't even see a lot of difference between each setting spray, but the you know, the dispenser is really what will make me fall in love with a, you know, setting spray. And this really worked really nice. It just came out very fine mist. So this is very nice, dolls. Oh my god! I got one of the sponges. I can't wait to try this. Dolls, I got some stuff for you guys. This gorgeous brush set for you, babes. I got a few things in here for you, so don't think your girl forgot you. Oh, I got this for you guys. A lip set, a lip kit, a Morphe lip kit. This is Morphe times Orpha. Oh, it looks so gorgeous in the store. So I got this for you guys. So I got so much stuff in here. I'll do a video later. I got some great brush. Look at these lippies. Look at these lippies. Okay, my husband's coming. I'll be right back. So babes, I just got home. I put on the lip kit that I got. So this is vinyl lip kit from Morphe. Oh my god, I love it. I've never, honest to god, I've never loved a lipstick so much. I'm in shock. I am so in shock, dolls. And the setting spray is staying amazing. So I have everything here, but I'm gonna do another video and you know, go through everything with you guys. And I'll you know, I got a lot of stuff for a giveaway, so we'll have the giveaway, and you know, I could show you what I got for you guys. So, and I'm gonna try everything, and oh, I can't wait, guys. This lip feels amazing. It's been lasting and lasting. So I've used the setting spray. My makeup is staying amazing. And it felt so good when I sprayed it on. I'm so happy, guys. Like you guys know, I went through that whole thing. Like so many of you dolls probably saw all over YouTube these stupid people saying that Morphe wasn't good or whatnot. This stuff is amazing. And the prices, I mean, I hate to even say it, but you know, I would pay more for this, but you know, don't tell Linda Morphe that. Let's keep the prices like they are, guys, right? But this is better. This is better than all of my higher priced. So guys, I will be back soon, and we'll have, you know, we'll go through everything and see what I got for you dolls. So I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.